always look forward in doing a commercial shoot with Charmy because every commercial I did for them always brought out the adventurer in me. Last one is for their new feminine pad with soft cotton cover with micro dimples. Check this out.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Tanghalang Pasko Timol Town Complex para po TV commercial shoot ng ating pong bagong commercial for Charmy All Flow Napkins.
Commercial for Charmy feminine napkins. Yung concept kasi, they're trying to say that or adventurous. So yung pinaka-concept niya, lahat ng mga eksena, papakita namin na a more mature Sarah, more daring, different from the sweet Sarah that we know. Then it will end, of course, with a big scene na medyo unexpected. So it's not your typical Sarah Geronimo commercial. Opening sequence which is parang high fashion shoot, and then later on we're going to shoot different scenes parang na sponsor, and then the surprise ending.
What's different about this shoot is that we made sure that we capture the ever-changing things that's happening with Sarah. No? In this particular board, we captured that she's already a grown-up adult, no? 24 na siya, and we wanted to highlight the different changes that she has in her life, one of which is her choices in life, as well as you can see, she's very mature now. She's not a young little girl that I knew 9 years ago. So basically, that's the difference of the board, and I do hope that all of you will like it.
Mas naging glamurosa siya ngayon rather than before. Before kasi medyo patwitams pa eh. Ngayon talagang medyo grown up na, medyo social na, at medyo nagbabago din ang yung hindi na siya tweetums, in other words.
Charmy is launching this commercial because it is relaunching itself. It is a new, improved brand, and this is the reason why we got Sarah Geronimo for this, because she herself underwent a relaunch last year. Nag-train siya sa Hollywood, and then she really changed herself physically and even in every aspect of herself na bago. So, kaya sinasabi namin sa commercial, sabay silang nagbago ng Charmy. They're both new, improved. parang patweetams pa si Sarah. Very sweet and parang very teen-like. Pero we saw the much ang taon, nagbago siya talaga. She has become more mature, more adult, and more confident.
Totality ng look, ng glossy, maging napaka-sophisticated, ng commercial, and syempre to enhance yung ganda ng Sarah.